Hello everyone, welcome to our channel English Vocab. Today we are going to present you 5 common English words with their meanings to ameliorate your vocabulary knowledge.
To begin with, let's start with the vocabulary test. Please pick the correct ones similar in meaning to the given word. Remember, you have only 10 seconds for each question. So, let's get going. Did you get your all answers correct? Oh yes, congratulations! No? Then no worries, we are here to support you. Let's dive into our first word.
Burgeon. Burgeon means to grow and increase rapidly, flourish. We will see an example to understand the word burgeon better.
Example 1. Since students felt dissatisfied and crowded to study in a small classroom with more than 50 students, the principal decided to burgeon more classrooms in the school. Example 2. The fertile land, sufficient manure and water supplied to the crops helped them to burgeon faster.
Example 3. During the trekking, Rosanna and John became so intimate that the feelings of love started to burgeon between them. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word burgeon are proliferate, thrive, multiply, wax, rise, flower, bloom, sprout, shoot up, snowball, scalate, mount, accretion, aggrandize, augment, dilate, enhance, balloon.
The next word of the day is
Divest. Divest means to take away power, rights or possessions from someone or something. We'll see a few examples to understand the word divest better.
Example 1. The father divested his son from playing games on mobiles and computers, thinking that it will harm his study. Example 2. When the worker was found involving in the corruption, he was compelled to divest himself from his post.
Example 3. The cruel manager divests the villagers of their holy temple in the name of establishing a commercial building at that place. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word divest are deprive, strip, bereave, disposes, despoil, take off, disrobe, dethrone, oust, expropriate, usurp, evict.
The next word of the day is
Salubrious. Salubrious means something that is good for you or is beneficial to mind or body. Healthy. We'll see an example to understand the word salubrious better.
Example 1. My aunt recommended me to have vitamin intakes as it has salubrious effects on our body. Example 2. The salubrious environment of the village helped me get rid of all the anxiety I was having the past 3 months.
Example 3. Sometimes small conversation with the loved one proves to be salubrious, since social interaction seems to decrease stress. Some of the terms referring to synonym to the word salubrious are helpful, salutary, beneficial, wholesome, restorative, salutiferous, sanative, tonic, invigorating, vitalizing, reviving.
The next word of the day is
Emulate. Emulate means to try to equal or match, especially by copying and imitating. We will see a few examples to understand the word emulate better.
Example 1. My mom always motivates me to emulate the nature of my father, for one day I will be as successful and gentle as my father is. Example 2. She tried to emulate the voice of her favorite singer, but her high pitch in the voice made it completely different from the one she was trying to copy.
Example 3. Rosanna is so good at emulating the makeup and hairstyle of Jennifer Aniston that sometimes people often confuse her as Jennifer. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word emulate are imitate, copy, mirror, follow, come close to, mimic, echo, take a leaf out of someone's book, parrot, ape, reiterate, follow the example of, parallel, rival, simulate.
The next word of the day is
Precocious. Precocious means having mature qualities at an earlier age than is usual or expected. We'll see an example to understand the word precocious better.
Example 1. It is surprising that the baby is just 4 years of age, but he is so precocious about taking care of all his activities. Example 2. John was by no means a precocious child because he does not possess any remarkable qualities of learning and explaining the things which mark him unusual as per his age.
Example 3. The precocious baldness in a young boy made him look older than he actually is. Some of the terms referring to similar to the word precocious are prodigy, premature, unseasonable, untimely, forward, clever, ahead, gifted, intelligent, early, inopportune, advanced.
Now it's your turn to make the sentence of your own in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.